Senator Jeanne Shaheen says she wants federal money to fight the drug crisis funneled into New Hampshire as soon as possible. And she told the head of the Federal Office of Drug Control Policy to put a rush on it.
He committed that he will get the money out the door just as soon as he can. He's been up to New Hampshire. He knows the extent of our problems in New Hampshire and across the country. So I think he will work very hard to do that.
Today was a victory for Senator Shaheen, as well as Republican Senator Kelly Ayotte, who fought hard for substance abuse funding to be included in the 21st Century Cures Act. After an overwhelming win in the House of Representatives last week, the bill received another big victory in the Senate today, passing with a vote of 94-5. Much of the $4.8 billion bill is headed to the National Institutes of Health for research on cancer and Alzheimer's disease. But $1 billion will be divided among states to fight drug abuse. The goal is to create more treatment centers.
Well, I think probably the most important aspect is treatment. What we know is that only 1 in 10 people who have substance misuse problems actually get treatment.
The work that we can now do to fund education, prevention efforts, as well as increasing access to treatment, and most importantly, that long-term recovery to get people back on track in their lives.
In fact, the number of overdose deaths in New Hampshire could hit 500 people by the end of this year, surpassing last year's record of 439 deaths.
So making sure that there are treatment facilities, that there are recovery supports for people who need help is absolutely critical.
And the bill is now on its way to President Obama for his signature.